Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to talk about your lawn tractor. Maybe it's not starting easily when it's cold. The thing keeps turning and turning and turning and turning, and it takes a while before it finally kicks over with the lever and the choke all the way engaged. I'll show you why that's happening. All right, here we are with my lawn tractor, and the choke is all the way up, right? Took the hood off so you can see what we're talking about. Now, this is the cable that comes in from the throttle, and if it needs to be fully engaged, and if you watch this, I'll be able to just push it a little bit more. That little bit, see? That little bit there is the difference between having the choke fully engaged and not. So what you need to do is take your, in this case it's a Torx screwdriver, loosen it. So the cable's all the way up. So I had to do it. The cable's all the way. The lever is fully engaged now, and I've got this thing pushed in all the way. Now I'm going to tighten it in that spot. Okay. Okay. And let's see if it can move. It's not moving. Now, I have not started this mower yet today. I'm going to put the cover back on. Okay, let's give it a shot. All right, so it's that simple. If you've been struggling with it in a slow start, there's your answer. Just adjust that cable and you'll be fine. Hopefully this helped you. If so, please hit that like button. Thanks everyone. See you next time.